What's up, homies? Welcome back to Teach Me Tuesdays. If you have a request for a tutorial, the link to the Discord's in the description below or up on the screen. There's also a thank you button below the video where you can leave a tip if this video helps you out. Today we're going to learn how to play Flavor by Sydney Spencer. So grab your ukuleles. Let's go, Jen. Spencer. Okay, so this song is 3 chords, 3 really easy chords. So we're gonna start with D, cover the top 3 strings here on the 2nd fret. We're gonna play A, cover the top string on the 1st fret, and top string on the 2nd fret, 3rd string on the 1st fret. Then we're gonna play E. We're gonna cover the top 3 strings here on the 4th fret, bottom string on the 2nd fret, and then F sharp minor. Cover the 3rd string 1st fret, top string 2nd fret, and 2nd string 2nd fret. Let's go over the structure for this song. So we're gonna start with an intro. We got verse 1, a pre-chorus, chorus. Verse 2, a pre-chorus, chorus. We got a bridge, and then chorus again as the outro. Hi guys, I just want to give you a quick note about the strumming. I play by ear. I learned and I taught myself how to play by listening to the music on the radio and then emulating it the best way I could. The reason that I put the play along portion of the videos is so that you can watch what my hands are doing and copy it for yourself. There's even a feature on YouTube where you can slow down the video, and I think that could also help, is to watch it in a slower speed and you can see and listen for every time my fingers hit the strings. I apologize that I wasn't properly educated. I apologize that I am not an educator and I cannot properly tell you how to strum. That is why I don't include strumming tutorials, because I technically don't know how to strum. I just hear what I hear and then I emulate it for myself. Again, I apologize. I'm truly sorry. It is what it is. Sorry. Same chords the entire song, so it'll be easy. This is the reggaeton one. Oh, my bad. Thank you guys for joining me in today's tutorial. If you're new here, please subscribe. If you liked the video, give it a like. And if you learned something or if this video helps you out, leave a tip with the thank you button below. In the description, there's a link to the Discord where you can make your request for a tutorial, as well as the merch link so you can get your Shabalan tank tops or sweaters, because it's cold season now. So yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Okay then.